Hi Dresser Cuties, Winnie here. Today we're going to draw a chocolate milkshake. So let's get started. To draw this very yummy milkshake, let's first start by drawing a soft curve on top. So I'm going to start about right here and I'm just going to drag a soft curve across, say about that wide. And then now that I have that, I'm going to go ahead and come to the bottom of it and just round this corner off and come down. So same thing over here. So this is basically kind of like the chocolate syrup that's just kind of drizzling all over the bottom of it, of the cup I mean. So let's see here. I'm just going to go ahead and draw this first then, I guess, since I'm here. And there's no right or wrong way, it's all up to you. Maybe you can come down lower on one part. Just have fun with this. Just want to make it look very drippy. There. So now that we have that, I'm going to go ahead and draw the glass. So let's come in a little bit from right about here, and we're going to start with an angle line down for our cup. So let's go ahead and start, and I'm going to just keep going down. And I'll just work on this side first. Maybe a little bit more. Go all the way down for a really big glass of milkshake. So then I'm going to start to bring it in towards the bottom to round it off. So now I kind of have this side done. I can work on this side and try my best to match it. So just take a step back and take a look. And approximately about right here. Keep going down. And so then about here, we're just going to round this part off. And connect everything. There. So this big, kind of like a flower, right? Like those tube flowers. Make this side a little bit higher to match the other side right here. And so then now that we have that, let's come back down right here and we're going to draw a little neck for our glass right about here. And now that we have that, I'm going to come to the top right about here and just draw an oval around it. And go all the way to connect. There, so we have a little base. So then from there, let's go ahead and draw the top. So I'm going to add, let's see here, just add some mound of cream, whipped cream. And we're going to go up. Another one. And so we're just kind of aiming for this triangular shape. And just one more, and then whip it out. And we're going to come back to the other side. It's about the same height, and then we're going to go back down just like the other side. So 1 and 2. There. Okay, so then now that we have that, we need to spruce it up, right? So maybe, well, let's add a straw first. So say about right here. Definitely need a straw, so I'm going to just draw 2 of these lines to create our straw. And then if you like, of course, you can add some stripes to it to decorate it. There. And maybe a piece of, like, big piece of chocolate if you want. We're going to add it right about here. So I'm just going to kind of draw this rectangle stuck inside about here, and I'm going to thicken up this piece of chocolate, so I'm just going to put in a little angle line and come down. Just soften the curves right there, and to make it look like chocolate, let's kind of lightly divide it in half, and then maybe about here I'll lightly add some squares. So hopefully that makes it look like chocolate. And of course, when you color it, it definitely will help. There, so one big piece of chocolate. And then that'd be really cute. Maybe we could add like maybe a cherry right here. Nice big cherry. So I'm gonna draw a curve. Then I'm gonna stick this cherry right in here. So come to the top right here with a curve, and then curve coming out, and then the stem. And of course, when you're coloring, you can put in a bunch of sprinkles, whatever you like. And last but not least, of course, I almost forgot. Let's come back here. Very important. We're going to basically just draw a line following our outside all the way around. So this just makes it look like it's glass instead of like plastic, to give it that little edge. Because I definitely prefer drinking a milkshake out of a classic glass cup, right? So just curve at the bottom here and go up. There. Okay, so now that we have that, let's go ahead and make it a draw so cute chocolate milkshake. So about right here, just gonna add a big circle for some draw so cute eyes. And one more about here. There. So now with my two circles in, let's make them draw so cute eyes. So two small circles inside for highlights and a curved line at the bottom and shade in the top. And lines at the bottom, and same thing over here. There. So have the two eyes in. Let's come above each eye. Just draw a soft curve. And of course, let's give a sweet smile. So about right here, just going to draw a curve and then bring up a tongue because it's so yummy. And let's see here. What else do we need to put? Of course, we have to put a heart, right? So, where should we put it? Maybe just put in some of these. I'll go ahead and draw it lightly. Some heart chocolate sprinkles then. So just draw a bunch of hearts going different directions. You know what, maybe 3 is enough. And then the rest could just be circles. There, and that is it. Oh, and also when you're coloring, you put in a bunch of different layers of like dark chocolate, light chocolate, or even white chocolate in here. Just have fun coloring this, and I really hope I helped you found this fun and easy. And if I did, please make sure to give me a like and subscribe so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.